as I begin to walk you through the syllabus for WAEC, for JAMB 2024, 2025, 2026. What I will be showing you in this video are the contents, the topics that you should focus on as you prepare for your biology, for your JAMB biology examination. You already know that JAMB has brought out specific topics that will come out. So you don't need to read all the topics. You don't need to read all the topics in your big voluminous biology textbook. What you need to do is just to pay attention to the following topics I will be mentioning, because they are the exact ones that JAMB has brought out. So just follow me as we go. Number one thing to realize is that there are about about 5 sections in biology when it comes to JAMB. Okay, so I'll be sharing these things with you. By the way, just follow me. I want you to watch this video from beginning till the end so that you can be able to get all the topics. And if you watch this video from beginning to the end, just let me know so that I can send you this material also for you. So section A for JAMB is variety of organisms. Variety of organisms. So under variety of organisms, there will be many topics. We'll look at them. Section B, it will be forms and functions. Under forms and functions, there will be many topics, so we'll look at them. Section C will be ecology. Ecology. Under ecology, there will be many topics, and I will mention those particular topics that JAMB brought out. Section D will be heredity and variation. Heredity and variation. Under heredity and variation, there will be many topics. JAMB will pick out some. I will also point those ones out for you. Then the last section is evolution. Evolution. So I will also point it out for you, the topics. So let us look at those topics in details. Number one area you should focus on is living organism. By the way, I'll be sharing those topics. Anyone I mention, you write it down. You can also come to this video once in a while to watch this particular video over and over again so that you get all those topics I'm going to mention. Remember, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, if you want me to send this particular material I am reading from, if you want me to send this particular material I am reading from, you want me to send it to you, you can always feel free. What you need to do is just, number one, watch this video from beginning till the end. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Once you subscribe, come under this video and write, I have subscribed. Once I see you write, I have subscribed, and you watch this video from beginning to the end, I will send you the PDF of this syllabus so that you can also go through it on your own. Okay? So the first topic is living organisms. Under it, the actual characteristics of living organisms, cell structure, functions of cell components, levels of organization, and they will point out things like euglena, paramecium, that is cells, tissue, organ, system. Under cells, there will be euglena, paramecium. Under tissue, epithelia, tissue, and hydra. Under organ, onion bulb. Under systems, reproductive, digestive, and excretory. Then organisms, e.g. chlamydomonas. Okay, when you get this material, you'll be able to look at them in details. Then evolution among the following. Monera. You need to study evolution among Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantia, Animalia. Under Animalia, invertebrates, and all nematodes, Annelida, that is earthworm, arthropoda, mosquito, cockroach, housefly, and all the rest. Multicellular animals, that is vertebrates. Pisces, that is cartilaginous and bony fish. Amphibia, reptilia, elves, mammalia, and all the rest. So you should be able to analyze external and internal features of those organisms, apply the knowledge, and all the rest. Okay. Structures, functions, and behavioral adaptations of organisms. Adaptive correlation and its function, behavioral adaptation in social animals, structural adaptation in organisms. So these are the things, this particular topic, these are the things that will come out. Okay. Let's look at section B, forms and functions. Internal structure of plants and animals, a subheading. Under it, you should study internal structure of flowering plants, roots, stems, and leaf. Internal structure of a mammal. Okay. Number 2, nutrition. Of course, you know I'm not taking them in full details because we are also I'm just pointing them out. When I send you the PDF file, you will be able to study them in more details. Nutrition. Modes of nutrition are autotroph, heterotrophic. Types of nutrition, plant nutrition, that is photosynthesis, chemosynthesis, mineral requirement, animal nutrition. Class of food substances, carbohydrates, protein, food and fat, vitamins, mineral salt, water, food test, that is starch, reducing sugar, protein, oil, fat, etc. The mammalian tooth, so you study these things, mammalian alimentary canal, nutrition process, and all the rest. You know, I am also summarizing. So when I give it to you, when I give you this material, you can pay closer attention to them. Transportation, need for transport in the body and all the rest. Okay. So just keep following me. I've already mentioned these things to you. The next topic, of course, these ones are the reproductive, the organs. You must pay attention to them. When I send you this material, you'll be able to look at them in depth. Okay. Then we come to this topic, ecology. Under ecology, factors affecting the distribution of organisms, abiotic and biotics. So you should be able to, when I give you this material, you know all the subtopics that you need to pay attention to, and you can always feel free to ask us your questions. So remember, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, just go to our YouTube channel. That is, watch this video to the end, go to this YouTube channel, press subscribe on Noble Tutorials. Once you subscribe, come under this video right now and tell me you have subscribed. Remember to also share this video with your friends. Just click on share, also copy the link and send to your friends, so that in all the WhatsApp groups and class groups that you belong to, so that they can also watch this video as they prepare for their JAMB. Okay, so you must study things like nutrient cycle, like carbon cycle, water cycle, nitrogen cycle. I hope you are following. You study natural habitats, aquatic, that is ponds, streams, lakes, seashores, mangrove swamps, terrestrial arborea, treetops, abandoned farmlands or dry, grassy savanna field, and or burrow or hole. Then study biomes like tropical rainforest, Guinea savanna, Sudan savanna, desert, highlands, and all the rest. Okay. So when study soil, components of the soil, that is inorganic, organic, soil organisms, soil air, soil water, soil fertility. Study human environment. Under it, you have diseases, common and endemic diseases, easily transmittable diseases, and disease syndromes such as poliomyelitis, cholera, tuberculosis, sexual transmitted diseases, pollution and its control, study conservation of natural resources, study game reserves and national parks. Okay, then we come to heredity. Heredity and variation. Under it, we should have variation in population, psychological variation, application of discontinuation, variation in crime detection, blood transfusion, determination of paternity. Heredity, chromosomes. Under heredity, inheritance of characteristics in organisms. That is, under it, we study heritable characters, non-inheritable characters, then chromosomes, structure of chromosomes, process of transmission of hereditary characteristics from parents to offsprings, and all the rest. So when I give you this material, you pay closer attention to them. Then the final section is evolution. Remember to subscribe to Noble Tutorials and watch this video to the end. Watch it over and over again, and also come under this video. Once you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Once you say I have subscribed, I will send you this PDF I'm reading from so that you can pay closer attention to them. So study evolution, theories of evolution, Lamarck's theory, Darwin's theory, organic theory, evidence of evolution. These are the things you need to pay attention to. When you subscribe, let me know so I can send you this material. Subscribe immediately, invite your classmates, share the link to your classmates, and I wish you all the best in your exam. I look forward to seeing you subscribe. Then when you come under this video, I will know that I subscribe and I will send you this material. Thank you.